Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this John Deere X384 four-wheel steer model. This has the 22 horsepower Kawasaki engine on it. This machine is 8 years old and only has 126 hours on it, so it hadn't been used a whole lot. That said, we did notice the engine was surging just a little bit. That's just because it's got a little bit of gummed up in the carburetor, but I think if this thing ran, that would correct itself. A little bit of fuel stabilizer and it wouldn't hurt, but we don't see any problems or issues with that. This machine starts right up, runs as it should, mows as it should, cuts as it should. The machine itself is in great shape. It's got a 48-inch deck on it with things you can lift up to clean out. Everything's in great shape. This machine has been taken care of. We're selling this on consignment for a customer who's getting a larger lawnmower. But he took really good care of it. If you notice with the seat there, it doesn't move back and forth. That's just because it's been sitting in the same spot. But we'll get that freed up so that it moves back and forth. It's got nice springs in here. Again, really great shape. No major rust or anything like that on this unit. It's got a deck leveling system here. Over here's a cubby to put your stuff and a cup holder. The chute is missing on this. This customer had a bagging yard vacuum attachment on this machine, so he had misplaced the chute. Tires are all in good shape. Hood's in good shape. Going over all of the controls. Over here we've got throttle, choke. Here's your deck height set. So you push that down and then push that down and it lowers it to whatever your setting is down there. To lift the mower up, push down with your foot, lift that, let go with your foot, and there it's all the way up. Over here is your PTO engagement, this knob right here. And while the deck is on, if you want to mow in reverse, you have to push this button first before you start backing up. Easy access fuel tank. Over here is your cruise control set. Right here, here's your ignition. That's this is start, this is run, and this is run with lights on, and both headlights work. It's got a digital display on here that shows your RPMs, shows fuel, battery, if you're got the parking brake set or not, and the hour meter. That's it. This machine is ready to go to work. It starts right up, it runs as it should, it drives as it should, and it's got that four-wheel steering as it's designed to have. It will cut around a lot of really tight spots with that four-wheel steer. If you're interested in this machine, if you have any questions about it, if you'd like to take it for a test spin, if you'd like to take it home, feel free to reach out at any time. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.